Hi guys, this is TechGirl007 in here. If you ever wondered how people upload videos on YouTube, so here we go. Today I'll guide you through an easy step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually make a YouTube channel and then be able to upload. Not only that, but at the end of the video you will also learn how to activate and take advantage of more features that you will need for your channel to prosper. So make sure to stay until the end. Just to remind you though, in this channel we do all sorts of tech gear reviews, editing tips and tutorials just like this one, and many more coming. So be sure to subscribe for more and hit that bell icon to be the first one to be notified on our future videos. So first things first, you need to go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button from the top right hand side of the page, and here you can see I am signed in to a couple of accounts, but that's fine, don't panic. You don't have to have this page because you don't have any email address. That's only if you don't. I will click on use another account, then sign in here. Notice if I didn't have other accounts that were signed in, I would have seen this page after clicking on sign in. Now here comes the fun part and the important decision you need to make that will benefit you in the long run. And I'll explain why and how. Right, so click on the button where it says create account, and you're presented with two options to choose from. So there's for myself and to manage my business. If you click on myself, it will just be a personal account where you'll be able to like, comment and share other people's videos, and nevertheless you are able to upload videos with your personal account, but in this case my preference would be to click on use for my business, and there's a few reasons why. First, if you're going to make an account for you to be able to use it as a business later on, then this is the one you want to choose. Also because with the business account you can allow other users such as managers and other colleagues to be able to access your YouTube channel without giving them your Google password. And the third reason is that you will be able to have different name assigned to your channel than your Google account, which is great in my opinion. You'll see this in action a bit later in the video. Bear in mind that in the future, if you ever wanted to switch back to a personal account, you could do so easily. On this page, just enter your name, surname, and the email part. You can either enter a Google account that you have or click on create new Gmail address instead. I have a brand new video on how to easily create a Gmail account right from your phone, which I will link on the description box below and on the card above. So I recommend you watch that video before continuing here. More videos on YouTube coming in the future, and the password would be what you would like it to be. Since I've already created a Gmail account, I will click on sign in instead. Just click on confirm in here unless you wanted to give it your phone number to make it easier to recover your password in the future, just in case you forgot it. And if you would like to go through that security settings, just click on update, otherwise confirm. Now since the initial setup is complete, we are moving up a step to the more important stage, which is creating your actual brand account and its name. And to do that, click on your icon above. Make sure you signed in first, of course. Then click on create a channel. Now here is what you need to pay attention to because it is important. Here is what I was saying, that you'll have more flexibility if you create a business account. You have two options in here. You can either choose to use your name, which will mean that your YouTube channel name will be your Google name and surname. Or you could choose a custom name, and if you're asking me, I'll choose the second option as I want to stand out as a brand and give my channel a unique name. Now let's create a channel name. Make sure it's easy to understand, and a quick tip that I would like to give you in here is to go to a website called businessnamegenerator.com/YouTube-name-generator. Link will be on the description box below. This website basically allows you or gives you so many different ideas on what your brand name should be. Just give it a couple of keywords and it will generate all the options that's available for you to use, and I think this is the best way to do it. On the other hand, if for any reason you wanted to delete your account, then this is how to do it. Go to the settings, then view advanced settings, and from here select delete account. Enter your password and then select I want to permanently delete my account. It will tell you what it's going to delete, for which you need to tick the box shown and just enter the account name, and that's it. But, and this is a big but, I would not recommend you to do that, because that won't be a good decision to make, as YouTube could really benefit you in the long run. Alright, since you're still here and hopefully you haven't deleted your account, then there's a feature you'll definitely want to turn on to be able to upload more than 15 minutes of videos, add custom thumbnails, do live streaming, and last but not least, being able to appeal content ID claims. So let's go. Go to YouTube Studio, then go to the settings, and here first of all, from the general tab, I would like to change the currency from dollars to pounds as I'm living in the UK. Then to turn on the important feature that I told you about is to go to the channel tab, then from there go to feature eligibility and verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and select receive text. This will send you a text with a number that you'll need to enter on this box shown to verify and unlock features mentioned previously. Alright, so that's how you make a YouTube channel, and I will be bringing more and more videos on YouTube and some of the tips and tricks you need to know, so be sure to subscribe and press on that bell icon, and I shall see you in another video, which will be how to optimize your channel for more views, subscribers, likes and shares. Alright, take care, bye.